Good morning, everyone. Today, Kris from the Mindbloome Exchange, we are going to do micro trading masterclass scalping strategies for the quick-witted. We are going to jump over to our pound yen, and we are jumping over into our 1 minute. Now, when it comes to micro trading and or scalping, the goal is to find quick opportunities to get in, get out, have our stop loss set, and do small wins. Build up on that small win curriculum, and then you're able to have a good run along with minimal risk management so that you can make sure that you're obtaining those profits while still finding those trades. While for us, we're just going to go after some candlestick entries and exits, and that's what we're going to do here. Now, I've spotted one right here, right here. Perfect. And we have a nice little engulfing candle right here. So that green is engulfed. The bearish candle right there, giving us an entry signal of like, hey, there's something there moving. We need to sort of test that out. Of course, we had a kickback all the way to here. At the same time, though, our entry level for this market would be there. And we would run that up all the way to here, to that level there, right? A nice level of resistance to our top. And then from there, if you really wanted to run it, you could technically have gotten out at this level here. Or that's pretty much it. So you would have obtained from 192.53, you would have obtained 25 cents on that trade. Let's look at another trade. When you're scalping, the biggest thing is to always act fast and always understand your entry, your exit, and your risk management. Always getting in at the right time is paramount. Now, let's look at over pound yen moves quite a bit. So I like it quite substantial. There we go. Beautiful. We'll show you this example here. Where the market, we went up, and this was our, I guess you could say, our support. It broke that level there. So we would have entered right here. We'll make a little mark there. And our stop loss would have been here. We would have ran down. This is a nice lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And all I'm doing is using candlesticks with price action at this moment in time. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Oh, wait, we would have got out right here. So our entry point would have been here, and our exit point would have been here. So what would that have got us? We would have been 193.12 and to 192.86. That's not too bad. Let's look at one more example so you can sort of understand how micro trading strategies work with price action, as well as making sure that you're on the ball very quickly. Remember, this is a 1 minute time frame. Things move fast. So you gotta make sure that you're in the checks and the balances for this. If you're not, you may get in for a run if you're not, making sure you're very quick. So here's another entry point here, right? Our market dipped here. We went up to this level here, level of resistance here. We broke that level of resistance. That would have been our entry point here. We'll make that, I don't know, we'll make that orange so you know. And then our stop loss, we could do a nice, decent, healthy stop loss, which is right here. Now, for this market here, everything seems to be running up quite well. everything seems to be going well until right about here. And that's where we would have stopped. So, like I said, in scalping, patience is a virtue, speed and precision are. Keep your emotions in check, use tight stops, and remember, we're aiming for numerous small wins, not the big kahuna. All right, take care, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.